Hi, hello. Welcome to MBA Solutions. I am Manjunath, working as an assistant professor at VVCE MBA department, Mysuru. In this video, let us discuss what are the characteristics of leadership. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive more notifications on these kinds of videos. Now, what is this characteristics of leadership? So, characteristics means the qualities, features, nature of leadership. And here we are talking about the qualities of leadership, not leader. So in the previous video we have discussed what is leadership, and leader is just a person, leadership is a process. Leadership is a process of influencing. So if you have not seen the previous video, please go through the previous video where we have discussed leadership and its element in detail. Now, what are the characteristics or qualities of this process? Let us understand. Leadership process is a working relationship between leader and follower. The process of leadership is it is a relationship between leaders and followers. So leaders and followers always should have better relationship, and it is a working relationship. It is not that today the relationship is good and it will be there continuously, it will be there till the end also the same way. It is not like that. It is a relationship which is you have to keep on working over that relationship. And this relationship comes through trust and belief or credibility. So here both leader and the follower should trust each other. Both leader and follower should have that credibility where they can trust, and credibility is the belief that comes over a period of time. And how this trust and credibility can be built? It can be built based on honesty and integrity. So both leaders and followers should be honest, and they should show integrity in what they are doing. They should be honest towards their job, they should be honest towards what they are achieving, and they should have that integrity. Integrity means what you say and what you do should be in aligned with each other. You say something else and you do something else, you are not a man of integrity. So these characters or qualities will try to bring a better relationship with leaders and followers, and it is a working relationship. This is the first characteristic of a leader of leadership. Leadership is exercised in a given situation. Situation play a major role in leadership. Situation play a major role in influencing people. If all the situation is good, then there is no much leadership required. If the situation is worse, then only people look into the leaders. See, as of now you can see lot of COVID-19 situation is emerging all over the world. This is a situation where everybody look into leaders, what measures they take to curtail this COVID-19 situation. And if they can curtail this, the followers or the people get influenced by them. So it is always based on situation. Leadership is always based on situation, and situation determines what kind of quality the leader has. Purpose is to achieve some common goals and goal or goals. Yes, the purpose of leadership, the purpose of influencing followers is to achieve organizational goals, and these goals can be your mission, vision, goals, objectives of the organization. It may be anything. So the purpose of leadership is to achieve these objectives or goals and to attain some better performance of the organization. Now coming to next characteristics, a leader influences his follower willingly but by not force. Leader will never force the follower to follow him. Leader should have the capabilities where follower get influenced on his own, not by force, not by keeping a gun and saying, if you don't listen to me, whatever I say, then I am going to kill you. If you don't listen to me, I am going to remove you from the organization. Not like that, but the follower should feel like I should listen to this person. So this is what leadership is all about. Leadership is a power relationship. Yes, it is a relationship between a person who is having a lot of power and relationship between the person who is not having that much of power. But still the leader should know how to use his power to build the relationship also. So if you uses the power to build better relationship, trust among the followers, then people believe you and automatically they try to follow you, and they'll try to accomplish the objectives set to them and set to the organization. It's a continuous process. Leadership will not stop. Influencing people to achieve organizational objective and bring some change in the process will not stop, will never end. It keeps on changing because situation changes, followers mindset changes, leadership mindset changes, his capabilities changes, follower capabilities changes, and it's a continuous process because situation is changing and situation goes on changing, and it's a dynamic process as well, because dynamic means very fast change. As situation change very fast, followers mindset, skills, capabilities also change very fast. When these two are changing, leaders should also be more capable to influence people and make sure that the organizational objectives are achieved. So that is why we call leadership as very dynamic in nature, because changes very fast based on the situation. Thank you very much for watching the video.